What's going, y'all? It's Kyle Lim here, Power Dental Group. We're here on Saturday morning. It is currently March 1st, 2025. We're here for a Power Dental photo shoot, Q2 campaign. We got the whole squad here. We're doing a lot of content. Pulled up here to Vogue Creatives. Shout out my boy Paul. He's the guy that graciously allowed us to be here. Got us a sick ass whip back in the backside here, the Aston Martin. And shout out to the rest of the crew, man. We got the whole team, the whole family that pulled up. We got my boy Jordan, Greg, Augie. We got Esteban, Jasmine, Saul, Paul, Chris, Irene, Bailey, Veer, Mariano. This is the team, man. This is the family. So you're about to see behind the scenes, about to see how this gets done, and about to show you guys how we make bangers here at Power Dental Group. So get ready, get locked in, and y'all ready to see some magic happen. Let's go. We're gonna have a couple people moving different parts, okay? So I'll go down the line. Esteban's gonna be primary shooter on the day, so he's gonna be doing all this. You close it, flip it up, and then Bailey turn on the car. Showcase like the Power Dental on the instruments while he's doing it. So like Jonas the doctor, the Power Dental on the band, you know what I mean? Like the procedure, or something like that. And I could be pretending to like help out with like trying to move something, you know what I mean? So for example.
You hate to see this. Okay.
So you could probably do this. Ain't no manufacturer doing it like this, baby. You already know. Ain't no manufacturer in this industry doing it like us. I'm telling you, Power Dental, we coming for the entire industry. Are you large? You're large, right? Yeah, you probably. You could probably do like one macro. The coffee. Bailey puts in the cream.
I'm just touching one of these.
All right, sweet. And then just turn on the car. Yeah, just like that, just like that. And then what we could do is a side shot with a different instrument. Pretend you're holding like this, for example. Then it's gonna get to like a 45, and then Augie's gonna lean in and like start to pretend to work on you, okay? Yeah, just like that. And then you can just start with the bottom of the instrument.
Instrument.
Yeah. Okay. So and then he'll give the instrument like this for the actual shot. Okay, Lake Villa. Okay. Es muy cerca de Cary. Behind the scenes shit, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna get a glove. Talk. Okay, look at the instrument, walk out, start. Let me know, because we just finished up the shot. Do you want to see the run back before you guys get changed out? Let's see it. You got the camera? I'll just show it real quick. Sleeves up and get dirty with it, you know what I'm saying? That's how you make the action happen, all right? Motion don't happen without waves, and we're making waves today. Let's go. We're gonna have a couple people moving different parts, okay? And then Greg will like do this, like, okay? And then like look one more time at the instruments and then walk out with you.
You're gonna right here.
Feedback. Off and like just puts it like out of frame. This shit was off in pocket, but it's okay. Actual physical like prep up, like if we're using the table for example, like yeah. Greg looks like we're going right now. Second, they'll both look at the camera, like for like 4 seconds, and then it'll go back to the procedure.
And Greg are gonna just dap me for the next shot again.
Look, Jasmine. What do you need Augie and Jordan to dress up as next? Yeah. All right. Get that set up. My passport is over here.
Motors, right?
It's POV. Yeah, it's like one person behind the cam.
Yeah, like